Hello, welcome to Tiana Solutions case study presentation. The video discusses an issue encountered while importing bank transactions or retrieving bank feeds in Acumatica Cloud ERP. Here's a detailed explanation of the problem and the solution, along with other details. Problem: users attempting to import bank transactions or retrieve bank feeds may encounter an error, Invalid Authorization header. This error occurs when updating credentials, loading transactions, or processing bank statements. The Invalid Authorization header error is a known issue, specifically affecting users on higher upgrade versions of Acumatica. Solution: the workaround solution involves using the Acumatica Cloud Services diagnostic screen. Navigate to the Cloud Service diagnostic screen and click the Diagnose button. Running the diagnostic tool resolves the issue. After running the diagnostic, the user can disconnect the bank and reconnect it. Following these steps, the user will be able to import bank transactions or update bank credentials without encountering the Invalid Authorization header error. Tools and modules impacted. Tool used: the Cloud Service diagnostic screen within Acumatica is used to resolve the error. Modules impacted: this issue impacts the bank feeds functionality within Acumatica, specifically affecting the import of bank transactions, the retrieval of bank feeds, and the processing of bank statements. This likely involves the cash management module of Acumatica. Example: let's say an Acumatica user tries to import their bank statement or connect their bank account for automated feeds, and an Invalid Authorization header error pops up. Following the solution above, the user would go to the Cloud Service diagnostic screen, run the diagnose, then disconnect and reconnect their bank account. This will enable the user to import bank transactions or retrieve bank feeds without any errors. Introduction of Consultant and Company. Mamta is a functional consultant at Tiana Solutions. Mamta has 13+ years of experience in the ERP space, helping clients implement and support various ERP solutions. She possesses expertise in handling numerous scenarios, including 150 reports, 50 generic inquiries, GIs, 20 business events, security, import-export scenarios, and Power BI, across all Acumatica editions. Tiana Solutions is the largest services partner with Acumatica Cloud ERP2. They assist Acumatica partners and customers with implementation, customization, and support of Acumatica Cloud ERP. Tiana Solutions can help in speeding up and optimizing processes, resolving support cases, and aiding on-site consultants to improve customer satisfaction. Tiana Solutions can be contacted at 678-910-2774. I hope this explanation is helpful. Let me know if you need further clarification.